KeyBank credit card login. To log into your KeyBank credit card online, open your default web browser in your device. Search for KeyBank credit card login. Tap on KeyBank login by online credit link result from the list of results. You'll be directed to the official KeyBank's credit card homepage. As soon as you enter the web page, you'll encounter a form to log in. Fill the form up with utmost precision as you'll be asked your user ID and password for the login. Enter your user ID in the user ID field and then enter your password in the password namespace. Then make sure that you check right on Remember User ID checkbox. Finally, tap on Secure Login button. You can tap on Problem Signing On button if you have any problem. Also, if you do not have any account, you can create from Open a new account web page. And after all these steps, you'll be safely logged in to the official KeyBank credit card web page. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.